Done. What's happening, Adventureland? I wanted to show you today one of my favorite midline knots. It's called the farmer's knot. Super easy to tie. Let me show it to you. It's a total of 4 moves. You're gonna wrap the rope around your hand 3 times to start. Right? Very easy. Then you're gonna pull the center rope and you're going to go to the left. You're gonna pull the center rope, you're gonna go to the right. You're gonna pull the center rope, you're gonna go to the left, and now you're gonna pull the center rope and you're gonna pull it out. Set and dress. So let's see that one more time. 4 total moves. Wrap it 3 times around your hand, and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And just so you can see how fast you can tie it, wrap it 3 times. Done. Very easy to tie, very versatile. I like it a lot. It's easier to tie than the alpine butterfly and just as easy to loosen, in my opinion. You can pull from either direction and it's a great knot. Hope you learned something cool today. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed it. And remember, whatever you do today, stay adventurous, my friends. Later.